Alright, what's going on, guys? This video is sponsored by Battery Biz. They sent me out this Duracell jump starter pack so you guys will never be stranded. This will be great for road trips. It's always going to be in your glove box or in your trunk. I believe, I'm just going to read you the product features on the back because this is new to me too. Can jump your car up to 25 times, up to 5 smartphone recharges, holds a charge up for 1 year. This prevents any sparking and protects against reverse polarity. Ultra bright 200 lumen LED flashlight on here, as well as waterproof construction design. So honestly, that's pretty good. I believe no one should ever not drive without jumper cables or a jump pack starter of some sort. I mean, we're in a day and age where it's so easily accessible to have one of these. There should be no reason you ever need to ask someone for a pair of jumper cables or something like that. Also, I don't understand why you would call AAA and wait a couple hours for them to come out when you could just buy this or buy a pair of jumper cables for a relatively low price. This is really taped on here. So, unfortunately, my battery is not completely drained, so I'm not going to be able to actually test this product, but I've watched other YouTube videos and this does jump fairly quick to all cars easily. So it does work. So in the box you guys get a little carrying case with a manual inside, and then you of course get the product itself. Here looks to be the charging cable. This will focus. Here is the box. To compare it, it is, I wonder if it even comes charged. It comes charged a bit. So you have strobe, regular, a little dimmer, and strobe. Alright, to compare it to an iPhone 8 Plus, it is about almost the same height, and actually my iPhone 8 is a little bit wider. So I mean, this isn't great to charge your phone. I wouldn't take this to Disneyland with you, but this definitely is a good means of charging. So easily fits in your glove box. There should be no issue. Could even probably fit in your center glove box, and this will easily fit in any trunk. And they even give you a cigarette adapter so you can charge it in your car. So no excuse to never have this thing charged. And then because it is a portable jumper cable, you don't need super long cables, so these are designed to fit, like I said, in a very small space. So I'm assuming you pop this open and then you go ahead and attach these in. As you can see, also right in there, there's your USB port as well as your charging port. So honestly, very sleek design, very nice, very nifty. As you can see up top, there's a indicator, so 2 red lights probably means pretty low. So I'm guessing you charge up, now 1 red light, you charge all the way up and it's probably green, means good to go. So I'm not sure charge time, but overall this is a quick, short, easy video. Huge thanks to Battery Biz. I'll put the link down below. Anything you need, they sell major companies, so I will ask them if there's a possible coupon code that they can give me so you guys can buy one of these. They're not very expensive, so if I'm persuasive enough for you to get one of these instead of jumper cables, do so. Even if you're in a group of friends, you should be the one to have this, so they'll thank you. They can buy you a beer or something later, but always have a portable charging device on you. So that concludes it. Huge thanks to Battery Biz once again for sending this out, and I will probably definitely have to use it in the future. Thanks for watching.